And M5 with K and V suspension. New M5. No ceramic brakes. And BMW black LEDs. And yeah, good color, matte black. Another M5 blue, gorgeous color. I'm not sure about the wheels on this side. I mean, the DBS wheels were the best looking by far. But this color is gorgeous. Wow. And all this in carbon. Wow. This rear diffuser in carbon is a must. Looks so much better than in black. Okay, this blue. It's a San Marino blue with the rear diffuser. That's just insane. This rear diffuser is sick. This front is crazy. Wow, have a look at this rear diffuser and performance. It's completely sick, this rear diffuser. Wow. The M5 with this diffuser is a must. Because it's so boring to have it black. It looks like on a Porsche when it's not painted. It shouldn't be black if it's not a competition model. But this one is sick. San Marino blue is just lovely. I love that color. San Marino blue with the rear carbon diffuser. It's actually insane. Oh. Turn on the lights.